So what I have here is a huge package of Kirkland bar soap. It's plant-based. It has 5% of shea butter, super soft and moisturizing with no phthalates. The big package is 15 bars in here. As you can see, over 4 pounds of soap. What they did here is they really did a nice job with the packaging. Instead of having them individually wrapped, they bulk packaged them inside here. So there's 3 sleeves of 5, and they come just like this here in a nice cellophane package. And this is super soft. It lasts quite a while. I've been using this for a couple of years now, and it doesn't have a very strong scent, which is something I really like about it. Some of the other soaps are just too strong and just too much. And with that 5% of shea butter, it's super soft and very, very luxurious. Lathers nicely, as you can see here. So definitely try this out. I think this is like one of the best soaps out there in the market without that huge, strong scent. 15 bars, great value, and Kirkland, you can't go wrong. Definitely a high quality item. This is exactly what it looks like. I definitely highly recommend this one.